In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how I am investing in products for the Amazon Influencer Program. Getting a lot of questions about this. More importantly, I'm going over how I'm tracking it, how I'm getting estimates, how I'm using SellerAmp to do that, how I'm using the plugin Oink to do that as well. That is kind of where I'm getting my estimates and trying to base the best decision. What would be the best product to possibly buy? If you thought about investing in products and you're worried about tracking the data, all that kind of stuff, or just making good investments, this video is for you. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let's go to the computer and get into it. All right, so we're going to be taking a look at how I set up this sheet. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So all you got to do right here is you're going to go to Sheets, you're going to go to Setup, and these are the columns you need, and I'll show you how I name mine in a second. So you're going to do Export Date, so you could just click down here and you could find these things. Product name, brand name, ASIN, the Amazon URL, the buy box, the current buy box, and then the estimated sales. So that's what this is going to look like in this sheet. So we have everything right over here. I like to know the date that I kind of found this product, the title. Obviously, I want the ASIN so I could tag it later. The link so I could go here once I get the product. The price, I like to use this right over here so I could tally how much I'm spending. And then, of course, I like to know the sales. Then I have some other stuff that I'm going to fill in. I'll show you how I get that info using another product called Oink. So what I would do here, let's just say I want to look at ice machines to potentially buy to make money on Creator Connections, or maybe I personally just want an ice maker, but I want to find a product that I could also make commission on. So what I'm going to do is I typed ice maker in here. Then I'm going to kind of scroll through over here. If you want, you could do best sellers over here. You could do priced high to low. You do a whole bunch of stuff. I usually just kind of go to featured and start looking around. I'm looking kind of at the review counts right over here to see which ones have a bunch of reviews. This one has 1,000.2 reviews. This one has 2.7K reviews. So this is telling me a lot of people are buying this because everyone who buys it does not leave a review. I think like 1% of the people actually leave a review. So a ton of people are buying this. So what I do now is I open a bunch of these. So I opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ones right over here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start using... So I kind of go over here. I kind of take a gander at this. It's saying it's selling 1K per month. It has a 53 BSR, which is really, really low. I like the estimated sales there. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the break-even profit calculator with a tool called Oink. So what that's going to do is going to do some math over here and kind of give an estimate of how much I'm going to make per sale, the amount of days it's going to take me to break even, and how much profit I will make per month. Now, this calculation is just an estimate, and it's kind of based on if there was less than 5 videos on the carousel. You can see this one, there's 1 brand video, there's 5 influencer videos, and there's this little asterisk here saying that there is more than 5 videos. Kind of when I'm going through this, I know a lot of people say, oh, you want to get on listings that have 0 competition, all that kind of stuff. At this point, I feel like I make pretty good quality videos, and I don't really care about the video counts. What I will do is I will open this right here to take a look at the carousel. And I'll click into some of these videos right here and see if I think I could beat them. Right off the bat, this one looks kind of solid. This one right here is 32 seconds. I feel like I would definitely make a better video than a 32-second video. So I would take that into consideration. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this data that I'm gathering right over here, and I kind of put it in my spreadsheet because I am not going to buy everything in this spreadsheet. So it's saying profit per month it's going to take 714 days to break even. So I'm going to put 714 in here. And I probably wouldn't even put this one in here, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to make $9.45 for the month. So I'm going to go to the next one over here. And to get these into this spreadsheet right over here, why I really like using SellerAmp is just super easy. I can literally just go over here. I'm gonna go click to the AIP by demo sheet. That's the sheet I'm using for this. And it's gonna pull all the information that I want into that spreadsheet. So it just pulled this in right over here. So that is exactly why I do that. And then what I want to do is gather all this information and then make the best decision based on the data I have collected. So here's another ACE machine here. So this one looks a little more promising, saying it's 58.65 we could expect to make. Again, this is just an estimate. It's going to take us 35.8 days to break even. So I'm going to put that. You could just kind of estimate like that. You could also copy and paste that, and then you just do that. All right, so this next one, and I already pulled all these in just to save time on this video right over here. I'm gonna go over here, so it says 3604, and it's gonna take us 183 days. I don't know why that is saying that. So 186. We're just going to do values here. Again, this is just for estimate purposes. We're going to do this one right over here. So we got this one. This one is $94. Pretty promising. And you could tell because it's selling 4K a month. That is kind of like one of the big indicators there. And then this says 51 days to break even. 51. Paste special values only. We're just going to get rid of this other one right over here. So this is what I'm going to be left with in this spreadsheet right over here. And then I have this column right here. So this is the actual money. So I will track, go back, see how much I'm making. I'm going to compare that against the estimated to see whether that was right or wrong. I'll usually enter the campaign end date here. And then if I want, sometimes I'll enter how many influencer videos are actually on there. So for in this case, I would just put 6 because that's what it is showing in the calculator over here. When you kind of do that, it's 5 and 1. So I just know the carousel is full. And then I also have right over here notes. So for this, I would just say, I think I can make a better video. So I have some idea why I might have bought this. And then I'm going to put right over here, I have the creator, I have the link to the accepted campaign for the Amazon Influencer Program. So I could just click on that and see the commissions I am making in Creator Connections. So then I simply like this because I could tally this up so I could see how much I spent on everything. You could also see right here how much you spend by how much you could possibly make. And then I just like to be able to sort exactly what I want to sort. I literally want to put as many machines in here as possible. And then I'm going to do a sort by either how much I can make per month or the sales. And I'm just going to kind of go back and forth. Sometimes I go by the break even day. How little will it take to break even? There's a lot of different intricacies. I'll save that for another video. But I just kind of wanted to walk you through the spreadsheet I use to kind of track my product investments because it just makes it super simple for me, especially if I'm going to buy products to try to make money on. I want to make sure I'm tracking them. I want to make sure I have all my numbers in a row, links to the products so I can make the videos quickly, the ASINs here so I could tag them, and then these numbers right over here to make sure. And I also like I like how many are sold so I could put that against the actual money. How many, people are watching my video based on how many are sold. I'm still new into the vesting space, but someone asked me how I track it, and that is what I'm doing. If you want the SellerAmp quick start guide, there'll be a link below. You don't need any email. It shows you other videos of how I use it for the Amazon Influencer Program. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.